Students, welcome back again. This is my second part of worksheet 3. After seeing the part 1, you can see this video, because in this video part 2 I am doing from question number 4. So those who have not seen my part 1 video, please see the video first, then come to this video, and you will get the link in the description. See, verify the property x into y plus z equals to x into y plus x into z. Simple, that distributive property we have to verify, that x into y plus z equals to x into y plus x into z. So left hand side is this, so let's do it. LHS equals to what? X into y plus z. Now what is the value of x? That is minus 3 by 7 into bracket close. Now what is the value of y? 2 by 5 plus minus 4 by 9. One problem arises over there, that you can see that plus and minus both are signed together. So this one, so that one I have to change. Okay, next, minus 3 by 7 as it is I have to write, because according to BODMAS formula, that I have to calculate first. So bracket within 5, and see 5 and 9 LCM, we have to add the number. So 5 and 9 LCM, they are co-prime numbers, so LCM is the product of the number, that is 45. 2 9s are 18 plus bracket 80. Now plus minus minus, okay, so 20. Now you have to calculate these two numbers. See, 7 and 2 cannot be cancelled, and these two also not, but 3 and 45 can be cancelled. Before that, first jhamela hatao, that means minus plus. So 3 1s are 3, 3 15s are 45. Now 1 2s are 2, 7 15s are 105. Right hand side, that is x into y plus x into z. So what is the value of x? Minus 3 by 7. So we'll write first 3 by 7 into, see it is minus, so it is better to put the number in the bracket. So y value is what? What is the value of y? 2 by 5. Plus sign, then I'll write plus, then again put the value of x, that is minus 3 by 7. Plus minus sign together, so put the bracket into, now what is the value of z? Minus 4 by 9. Why I have put the bracket? Because again into and minus sign. So next, nothing can be cancelled, so what to do? This numerator and denominator I have to multiply. So 2 3s are 6 and 7 5s are 35. One can say, student, no sign means this is a positive number and this is the negative number. So plus minus, jhamela hatao first. Then plus, see, minus plus, jhamela hatao. So again nothing can be, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, and this is 4 1s are 4. The LCM of 35 and 21. 35 and 21 LCM, that gives 105 only. You can do this work in the rough, okay. So 105. 35 3s are 105, because 105 divide 35 if you do na, that you will get 3. So minus 6 we have to multiply it by 3 plus 4 into 105 by 21, that is 5s. So into 5 equals to 2 by 105. So you can see both the values are same now. So one can write, say I don't have any space over there, so I'll write here, okay. So that's it. Students, question number 5 and question number 6, both the same type of sum. Just what is the difference in between minus sign, and their question number 5 in between plus sign given. I think you can do it question number 5. So let's do the question number 6. So that means you have to verify the thing. So this is the left hand part, equal left hand side, and that is the right hand part. So again left hand side and right hand side, by this we have to prove this. 7 and 14 LCM is 14. Now this 7 2s are 14, that means minus 1 into 2 minus 5 into 1, because 14 ones are 14. So that 3 by 5 into, that is minus 2 minus 5 by 14, 2 and minus 5 both negative number, so we have to add the number. So that means minus 7 by 14. You can see these can be cancelled. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So now what to do? Minus and no sign means plus, minus plus minus. Jhamela hatao first. 3 ones are 3, 5 twos are 10. So minus 3 by 10. Left hand side value is minus 3 by 10. So let's do right hand side. This into sign in between them. So we have to first we have to check the numerator denominator is there in number, can be cancelled. If not, then multiply the numerator and denominator. So 3 ones are 3. Acha, before that, see minus plus minus. Jhamela hatao. So 3 ones are 3 and 5 threes are 35. This can be cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So 3 by 14 over there. So now equals to, see, minus 6 and minus 15, that is minus 21 by 70. So it can be cancelled by 7. So 7 3s are 7 10s are. So minus 3 by 10. Again you can see this is minus 3 by 10. Again this is also minus 3 by 10. Both the values are same. So one can write left hand side equals to right hand side verified. Now question number 7. It is told simplify and express the result in standard form. First what to do? We have to calculate it and simplify this. After that, if it is in standard form, then okay. If it is not in standard form, we have to make it standard form. So I'll explain you how to do that. First is that according to the BODMAS BODMAS rule, we have to do the bracket work first. So just as it is minus 4 I have written into. Now within bracket 3 and 10. 3 and 10, they are co-prime number. Now what is co-prime number? If you forgot the thing, that 3 and 10, they have no common factor. In between 3 and 10, they have no common factor. Then it is called co-prime numbers. See, maybe the number itself is not a prime number, but each other they don't have any common factor. That means it is co-prime number. So LCM of two co-prime numbers is what? Product of the numbers. You have done in class 6 actually. So that is 30. Okay. Now 30 is the LCM. So 30 divided by the denominator, so 3 you will get 10. So that's why you have to multiply the numerator by 10. So I have done this. Next, the 30 divided by the again the denominator 10. So here you will get 3. Okay, now. So that's why I have done here multiplied by 3. Next line 4 into, now within bracket, that's 70 minus 27. Now 4, the next line should be 4 by 1 into. Now if you minus this, you will get 43 divided by 30. That I have written. Now you can see 4 and 30, they have a common factor, that is 2. So I have multiplied both by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and they are 15. Now minus plus minus. Jhamela hatao first. So minus over there. Now 2 into 43 and there 1 into 15 I have written. Next 2 into 43 you will get minus 86 by 15. So this is the answer. And now you can see it is in standard form because denominator is positive and LCM of these two, numerator and denominator, is 1. So minus 86 by 15 is the answer. Next is question number 4. Again you have to simplify this same like this. So minus 5 by 4 minus 6 by 20 within bracket into 8 by 11. So first what to do? You have to find the LCM of 4 and 20. So 4 and 20, if you do the LCM, you will get 20 itself. Okay. So 20 is the LCM, means you have to write the 20 over there. Now tell me 20 divided by the first denominator, that is 4. You will get 5. Okay. So that means that numerator in multiplied by the number, this number. So that is 5 minus 6 into, now 20, the LCM and the denominator both are same number. So you have to multiply it by 1 because 20 by 20 you all know you will always get 1. So remember, if the LCM and the denominator itself they are the same number, so what to do? Just multiply it by 1. Means the same number, the numerator only you have to write. Whatever the exact actual numerator, you have to write this. Okay. Next line, 5 5 is 25 minus 6. Within bracket you have to write into 8 by 11. Now if you minus this, you will get 19 by 20 into 8 by 11. Now you can see over there 8 and 20 can be cancelled. They have a common factor, that is 4. So 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are. Then 19 2s are 38 by 55. So this is the answer. Now question number 8, fill in the blanks. First is given, you can see there minus 4 upon 7 into dash. You will get the number itself. So definitely that identity element, by their identity element we have to multiply. So what is the multiplicative identity? 1. So by 1 if you multiply, you will get the number itself. So 1 is the answer. 2 number, 3 by 8 into, now dash over there into minus 3 by 8. So definitely you can see by 3 by 8 into something dash, that you will get minus 3 by 8. So what is the number? What should be the number? That is minus 1, because if you want to change the sign, you have to multiply it by minus 1. So minus 1 is the answer. Do you remember associative law, that x into y within bracket into z equals to x into bracket y into z. So here also the same thing, that first two number within bracket into the number, next there this side right hand side I have to find the value, so that x is missing over there, that one is missing. So here the first number it's the x, this number, so here that 1 by minus 1 by 3 over there, so that should be I have to write, that is minus 1 by 3. Again the same thing, the same way you have to do this, that 5 by 3 is the value of x, you can imagine, and minus 7 by 8 is as y, and 11 by 3 as z. Now here 5 by 3 given, but second number is not there, that is minus 7 by 8. So minus 7 by 8 is the answer. That is also very easy, that commutative law, x into y equals to y into x. Interchange their places. So 3 by 7 into minus 6 by 11 over there. So here minus 6 by 11 written first. So this number should be there. So 3 by 7. Now 6 number. 4 by 3 into dash equals to 0. I have told you now that property, that any number multiplied by 0, you always get 0. So here answer is 0. And here another number, that is 4 by 3. So definitely answer is 0. 7 number question, for any rational number x, x into 5 can be written as, see it is very easy, x into 5. That means x is multiplied 5 times. So x can be added 5 times. Dot 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 5 times. If it is that coefficient is 11, then 11 times, coefficient is 10, then 10 times. You have done in class 6. You can see distributive law, x into y plus z, then in between plus sign over there, that x into y plus x into z. If in between minus sign, that means x into y minus z, then what to write? X into y minus x into z. That's why I have written two different color I have used, that you can understand easily. So here given, students, that question number 8, be careful, this is a tricky question. Here it is given 2 by 3 into that bracket minus 7 by 5 minus 2 by 9. That means minus I have to use. So what to do? That x into y. So you can see that these two I have to multiply it first. 2 by 3 into 7 by 5. Yes, it is there because x into y. Now minus sign, here also minus sign. Okay. Now what is there? X into z. Okay. So that means I have to write, this is the first one is x and the last one is z. So any one number you cannot write, like 2 by 9 or in that 2 by 3 you cannot write. Both number you have to write, that is 2 by 3 into 2 by 9. Though there is one dash, so but you have to be careful, it is distributive law, that in that part what value over there? X into z. So here you have to write first number into the third number, x into z. So this is the answer. 9 number, again the similar, I think you can do it easily. Answer should be that within bracket it will come 1 by 6. Okay, 1 by 6 is the answer. Now 10 number, very easy. 4 by 7, here is also 4 by 7, you can see. So that law only we are using. This side given, that side you have to write. So this x is common, so we'll write once. You can see right hand side 4 by 7 over there. So equals to that bracket, within bracket y and z value, that means this value and this value I have to write. So here answer is 2 by 3 minus 5 by 6. 2 by 3 minus 5 by 6 is the answer. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And those who are new to my channel, so अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. सो तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.